Hello and welcome to KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to create an account on the Bleacher Report app. But before I begin, please allow me to give a quick 10-second shout out to my merch store. I work with different artists to create cool and original fan art. I sell clothes, pillows, and many different accessories. Please check out my store to support the channel and the artists I work with. You can find a link to my store on the top of the comment section or the description of this video. Thanks. You can now get back to your video. We'll begin by opening up the Bleacher Report app, which is this right here. Once you have it open, it's gonna load in a second. Click over here where it says sign in. And then since we haven't created any account, we won't be able to log in with any one of these. So I'll actually click over here where it says sign up. And that's on the upper left-hand corner. And it's asking for my name. So you type in your first name, KahindoTech, and Inc. And then continue. And now it's asking me to use my username. All right, so there's multiple ways that you can set up your account. You can either use your phone number, or if you click on the bottom right here. So if you want to use your phone number, go ahead and use the phone number. And they say it only works with US-based phone numbers. But if you don't want to do that, you can use these other methods. So I'll click on them to show you, which are signing in with your Google account, your Facebook, or your Apple ID probably. So I'll choose, for me, I'll choose Google. You can choose any one of these or your number if you go back. So I'll go with my Google account and I'll click on continue. Then you take me to the sign in page and I'll start entering my email and continue. And I'll put in my password, which is probably not showing up on your side. And next. Then it's signing me in. And now, so you see this right here? It's basically trying to connect with my contacts. And I usually don't like this. So what I'll do, I'll click over here where it says skip. They always try to hide this, but with most apps, you always have the option to skip this. So I don't want them to connect with my contacts. I'll click over here where it says skip. And then I'll skip again. Then it's asking me to choose my team. Let me go ahead and choose a basketball team. And I'll choose, let's see. I'll go with the champs. And back. And then I'll click on done. And then it's asking me if I want to receive notifications. And I'll just leave them on. So right now they're turned on. If you want to turn them off, you can tap any one of these. So if you tap that, that turns it off. And then after you're done doing these settings, click over here where it says done. And then it's asking me, do I want to allow it to use notifications? I'll say allow. And there you go. That's how you create an account with Bleacher Report app. If you have any other questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. If you thought the video was helpful, please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos like this. Thank you for watching.